Today we got some big news. Like, I'm reviewing two products that I've seen. The Melanin Haircare. And look, so I'm gonna open this up. It's kind of an unboxing, but I'm so excited. When it came in, my boyfriend was like, I opened your box. I was like, what? You opened my box? And he was like, calm down. I opened it from the bottom so that you could still, like, you know, act like you just got it. And I was like, you're right. I understand the way you think. I like the way you think. But y'all, look at the goodies. When they mean one size fits all, like, everybody can wear this because this is cute. I love visors. If my hair was like done. Oh, by the way, this is a 7-day hairstyle. It lasts me a whole week. Like, my hair never lasts me a week, but I figured out this new technique. So I'll show y'all that in another video of how I got my hair to last 7 days. It's actually Sunday, like wash day. Like, I can't believe it. The thing I didn't get is the oils, because honestly I don't put a lot of oil in my hair. I don't know if that's good or bad. I just don't do it. Maybe I should get the oil like later on, because I heard a lot of good reviews about, oh, it's actually not greasy and it soaks into your hair very nicely. So I was like, okay, that's usually why I don't put oils in my hair, because I have really sensitive skin, and the minute I put oil in my hair, like, my whole face is just broken out and gross. So no, I don't have time. And she posted a picture. She was like, let me show you how big the wrap is compared to my body, and that jump was big. So let's see. Wrap is huge. I don't even know if I can get the whole thing in the camera. Yeah. Huge. Big. Real big. There's so many things you could do with this. Ooh, look at this. Super cute. Go ahead and pull out this big joint. Like gosh, like, when I tell you, like, this product is heavy. Let me see this. What? Nice. So that when they filled it, she was like, get them corners, I can see the space at the bottom, like, keep filling it, because for real, like, she did that for $16. You can't beat that. Yeah, it's not really strong. So I haven't really seen any reviews with a wash and go, and like I said, I'm gonna do a wash and go with this, because I don't really, like, twist outs don't really look nice on my hair. And then the second review that I'm doing is this Naptural Club. So Naptural Club has been all over Instagram. Look at that. Nice. So it's very hydrating for your hair. So that's definitely why I want to get this, because my hair is always so, like, dry and thirsty and dull. Hence why I got dull hair solution. And to pair it up, I got the dry hair solution. They also have a test online that you can answer the questions, and then it'll let you know which hair solution you should get. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this gives me the moisture and the shine that I'm looking for, without having to add oils and things of that sort. So I'm gonna section my hair off in 6 sections, and then I'm gonna wet it and then add my Natural Club right here. I sectioned up my hair into 6 different sections, and I'm working with this section of my hair. So since I have low porosity hair, in my spray bottle is kind of like hot water. I wouldn't say like boiling hot, but just warm water, I guess. Yes. For real, this product smells so good. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even hyping it. It's like, I don't even know what they use to make it smell that good, but it smells really good. Really good. So I'm gonna use this amount and apply this to my ends first, and then work my way up. You see that, y'all? At first I was having trouble going through my hair, but that just coated it nicely. Okay, It's not bad. I'll take this. Okay.
Like to know what you want, Zagadat. I would like to know what you need. I would like to know your size.
For that, you know, everything was covered. That's why it looks kind of white. It usually soaks into your hair pretty fast. It smells so good. All right. Now that the leave-in is applied, we're going to, look at that, nice definition, hair care. So she said layer it up, leave in the cream, and then gel if you're gonna use a gel. And I always use gels just so I can get a little more defined curls. So I'm definitely gonna add a gel in there too. And it's not bad. So let's go ahead and add the gel in on top of this. And I'm just going with my Ego. Oh no. Alright, so I'm gonna go throughout my hair, but it looks like it's leaving this white cast on it. Maybe it's not as buildable as it's supposed to be. You guys see that it has some residue on there. So I'm gonna continue to do the rest of my head, but look at that. Still doing this white, flaky. Alright, so I'm gonna keep going. And I'm going to use the Ego because I'm running low on my Archangel. So we'll just see how much of a cast it keeps leaving.
All of my property, all of my property. I give you authority, I give you authority. If you go down like economy, economy.
Okay, so as I'm continuing to apply it, it's still creating this white cast effect to it. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that, if it's not as buildable as it states that it is. I don't know if it's because of the Ego and the buttercream. I don't know if it's the leave-in and the buttercream that's creating this cast, but as of right now, it's kind of not looking super buildable. I'm gonna let this air dry. And then I'll give you the final review on it. I'm just waiting for it to air dry. And then we will see how it turns out. Okay, so it's the next day and these are my results. As you can see, it's really not white anymore, so that cast just went away as it absorbed to the hair. And like when I look at this, when I tell you guys that my hair is nice and bouncy, everybody knows day one be stiff. Like I'll be lucky to get a little jiggle and it looks so hydrated. That's all I use for a wash and go. That's hopefully gonna last me a week. Y'all see it, right? Like I don't need to keep talking. Like y'all see it, right? Should I continue? Like no, there's no need. It's just can't even stop smiling. Like it's so cute, so cute. For real, $16. And the gear so far is just speaking for itself. Like, you know, we always have to support our black women out here. Like Melanin for days. Like now, like, you know, she was talking about how she came up with Melanin years ago before it became this trending, oh, Melanin this and Melanin that. And Winnie's always been about, you know, black girl magic. Like, get it done. Like, you know, I'm going to figure out ways for us to help maintain our own hair. I'm going to figure out ways to, you know, maybe not buy into all the expensive stuff that's not geared towards us, but yet it's marketed towards us, you know? So she really came up with something that's geared towards us, marketing for us, and it's just dope. Like this product is amazing. So stay tuned for, you know, the review of my daughter's hair. We'll be doing that and I'll be putting that up on my channel in about 2 days, hopefully. Hopefully I'll get it up by then. But yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in.
I would like to know what you need. Yeah. I would like to know your size, so that when I'm shopping, I go there buy.